The cat Felis catus is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. It is the only domesticated species in the family Felidae and is often referred to as the domestic cat to distinguish it from the wild members of the family. A cat can either be a house cat, a farm cat, or a feral cat. The latter ranges freely and avoids human contact. Domestic cats are valued by humans for companionship and their ability to hunt rodents. About 60 cat breeds are recognized by various cat registries. The cat is similar in anatomy to the other Felidae species. It has a strong, flexible body, quick reflexes, sharp teeth, and retractable claws adapted to killing small prey. Its night vision and sense of smell are well developed. Cat communication includes vocalizations like meowing, purring, trilling, hissing, growling, and grunting, as well as cat-specific body language. A predator that is most active at dawn and dusk. The cat is a solitary hunter but a social species. It can hear sounds too faint or too high in frequency for human ears, such as those made by mice and other small mammals. It secretes and perceives pheromones. Female domestic cats can have kittens from spring to late autumn, with litter sizes often ranging from 2 to 5 kittens. Domestic cats are bred and shown at events as registered pedigreed cats, a hobby known as cat fancy. Failure to control breeding of pet cats by spaying and neutering, as well as abandonment of pets, resulted in large numbers of feral cats worldwide, contributing to the extinction of entire bird, mammal, and reptile species, and evoking population control. In a new comprehensive study of the spread of domesticated cats, DNA analysis suggests that cats lived for thousands of years alongside humans before they were domesticated. During that time, their genes have changed little from those of wild cats, apart from picking up one recent tweak: the distinctive stripes and dots of the tabby cat. Researchers surveyed the DNA of more than 200 cats spanning the last 9,000 years, including ancient Romanian cat remains, Egyptian cat mummies, and modern African wildcat specimens. Two major cat lineages contributed to the domestic feline we know today. They report in a study published in Nature Ecology and Evolution. The earlier ancestors of today domestic cats spread from Southwest Asia and into Europe as early as 4400 BC. The cats likely started hanging around farming communities in the Fertile Crescent about 8,000 years ago, where they settled into a mutually beneficial relationship as humans rodent patrol. Mice and rats were attracted to crops and other agricultural byproducts being produced by human civilizations. Cats likely followed the rodent populations and, in turn, frequently approached the human settlements. This is probably how the first encounter between humans and cats occurred, says study co-author Claudio Ottoni of the University of Leuven. He says that it's not that humans took some cats and put them inside cages. Instead, people more or less allowed cats to domesticate themselves. A second lineage, consisting of African cats that dominated Egypt, spread into the Mediterranean and most of the Old World beginning around 1500 BC. This Egyptian cat probably had behaviors that made it attractive to humans, such as sociability and tameness. The results suggest that prehistoric human populations probably began carrying their cats along ancient land and sea trade routes to control rodents. By comparing the DNA of cats throughout history, the study captures a glimpse of how the animals were changing even before humans started to cart them across the globe. Surprisingly, wild and domestic cats showed no major differences in their genetic makeup, and one of the few traits available for telling them apart was the tabby coat marking. The study sheds light on the late emergence of the blotched or striped coat markings, which began to appear in domesticated tabby cats in the Middle Ages. The gene for a tabby coat dates back to the Ottoman Empire in Southwest Asia and later became common in Europe and Africa. It was only in the 18th century, however, that the markings became common enough to be associated with domestic cats, and in the 19th century, cat fanciers began selecting cats with particular traits to create fancy breeds. According to the studies, cats became a domesticated companion of humans without changing much. Domestic cats look similar to wild cats, but they aren't solitary, tolerating both humans and other cats. This is in contrast to dogs, the first animals to be domesticated. Dogs were selected to perform specific tasks, which never was the case for cats, and this selection for particular traits is what led to dogs' diversification to the many breeds we see today. Though everyone might not agree on cats' perfection, felines are among the most popular pets in the world today, with as many as 74 million cats living in U.S. homes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash the like button and click the notification bell and share.